All right, so Inbox SMS is about as most of a complete trial run as I can show you. It's going to show you just the basic Inbox SMS and the local discovery for local businesses that want to sell virtual products, drink gifts, venue tickets, um, personal trainers, yoga classes, anything that can be kind of pre-sold and sent as a gift. Think of them as mini gifts. So we're going to go here and get geolocated. I'm going to allow it. I want to know 25 miles. I'm going to submit. Got a pretty slow server, so all right. So here we got a little pop-up of what's going on. Otherwise, we got them down here. Dave's Bar and Grill say 50% off for Stonefellow VIP tickets. So I'll just show you. This is just a basic local post. Nothing special. No mini apps. But there it is. You can just add it to your cart, and it's in your cart for later when you want to go shop. Run backwards here, and then you can also go here to Stonefellow, and he's 9.8 miles away, and he's obviously a local artist, and he's giving away free tickets. There you are. So we have cart the $0. A $0 product will go through your checkout without you having to pay anything. You do have to go through the process, but that's it. Otherwise, he's got some stuff down here where you can kind of go down the rabbit hole if you want. He's Ganja Festo Records is the record company that Stonefellow is on, and this is their website at ganjafesto.com. And they sell their T-shirts and do their thing. But then they just put a ticket here, a link, and so it links back to Inbox SMS, but it links to their ticket portal, right? And then here we have the ticket again, and it's the same product. We just are displaying it in different aspects of the Inbox SMS site. So this is a mini app site. You saw the normal product page earlier. The product page is just basic. The mini apps, you actually have to know a little bit about development or work with a developer, and you can create more of a branded approach on your app. You don't need a website. You can just launch a little mini app. You should have a website if you're a big brand, but if you kind of want to be in the middle, you're a little mini app. And then all my mini apps, they all have this kind of navigation at the bottom, and it brings you back to the App Store, brings you back to the in-out box here. Refresh, we'll just refresh the page, and you can keep this page open and go back to the inbox if you keep open. I also have this favorite thing, and so you can favorite the mini apps, and if you favorite the mini app, you can see this one's favorited. When you're in your inbox, this is going to be the first time we see the inbox. Um, This is the inbox, but so since we're on mini apps, I'm going to say so when you favorite it, it shows up in your mini apps, right? And so these are all the mini apps I've saved in the inbox ecosystem, and a lot of them I'm just kind of testing out. But so this is the in-out box. This is where all the tickets are that you can purchase and claim. Kind of once you go through, right? These are the coupons I added from the Ganja Festo site. Right, I can add coupons from this site. I can add coupons from all these sites into my inbox out here, and then when I go check out, right, because there's value here. Some of them I'm going to actually have to pay, so I'd have to enter my credit card information. But when you're done and you pay here, all the gifts, right, these two and this one, they get split up individually, and then they get put into your outbox, so you can either claim them yourself or send them to a friend. And so it kind of touches on some base concepts like a single sign-in, a universal wallet, a quick pay, just easy accessibility for small, medium, and large-size companies. We do. This is how you send a gift. This is how you claim a gift. these coupons, if you send a gift to somebody, they'll get a text message that says, hey, so and so sent you a beer from Dave's Bar and Grill. Click the link below when you want to purchase your gift. And so when you do that, you'll be showing this page to the merchant, and the merchant will enter in a little claim code here. It's tied to that location, so it just authorizes the that they're going to serve this, and it takes it off the market. It makes it fraud proof, all that fun stuff. If we had scanner built, the QR code is kind of more for a high volume claiming, kind of more even automated. You would just program your claim code into the scanner and go from there. So I'm not going to claim this, but we're going to go back to the in-out box. And that's about it. We do have an app store. Obviously, not every app that people make is going to find a home in the app store. But just to kind of outline the idea, we have some spiritual ones. This is my roommate, or my landlord. He does meditation classes, so I made him this little mini app. Again, see, it's got all the stuff down there. That's all I did, is I just kind of embedded some music from YouTube. Give him a little bit. Little bio, because I haven't finished this. His store, and what he does is, he does online guided video meditation. So if he wants to sell one, just add to cart. And then he provides you with the number you contact him with, and then to schedule your meeting, you just give him your claim coupon number that's in your inbox, and then he'll just make sure that it hasn't been validated, and you can go ahead and book the session. Like I say, it's all pretty straightforward. Most of what we do is post-purchase product management, and that comes into the inbox. This one is favorited, you can see. And shop local, here's the vendor dashboard, so you can do all these things. And I'm just going to show you this to create a mini app. Pretty simple. You're just literally creating a page and using the theme builder that's built in. They give us templates. John, let's say music test, right? Okay, so you just publish it, you save it. You go up here. And so these are templates if you want to do like a store, but otherwise I've done some stuff over here. Right, and we're going to go down here to, I believe it's microbrewery. I'm on a pretty slow server, just basic shared hosting at the moment, so I'm not expecting too much. But so this is just a template that you can work with as a bar or a merchant, and just swap out your logo. Pretty straightforward. You're not going to touch much of this. Swap out the photo, swap out the wordage. Pretty straightforward. Here you can define what products you want with custom products. So you just kind of say, Dave. It'll come. It's really slow. There it is. Right, and then so Dave's Bar and Grill. And that would be the only one that shows up. And it's doing its thing over here. And loading, and then so now I just have my one coupon in there. That's just for my bar. Pretty straightforward. If you're doing like a community page, you could bring all sorts of different businesses together in a community page or anything of the sorts. A lot of flexibility here. but basically just an online e-commerce for micro gifts, virtual products that can be purchased online and sent to somebody with a phone number. They can be claimed instantly, they can be claimed later. The claiming is tracked, it's fraud proof, and then underlying that, there's the mini app ecosystem to kind of do more branded experiences. And then there's my favorites, so you can save those branded experiences to your inbox. And then there's also the Discover Local. Uh, so you can just kind of get in and start the search based off of what's around you. And that's Inbox SMS in a nutshell.